All right, let's talk about opioids or opiates. Either is acceptable. From the opium plant, we see the poppies growing here. This is probably Afghanistan, and one of the reasons Afghanistan has been at war forever. It's also where the Yellow Brick Road goes. The Yellow Brick Road goes through here somewhere. You can't see it; it's a little overgrown, and it comes out. Oz is over there somewhere. That's where Dorothy got high. Anyway, so um, opium comes from the poppy plant. It can be smoked as opium. It could be created into a powder form and then liquid injected in the lungs. It can be used for medicinal use in the form of morphine, codeine, many, many types. The oxys that are out there, these are all derivatives of opium. It's a central nervous system depressant. I mean, it slows everything down, can slow it down enough so you stop breathing. It's highly addictive. Um, the human brain has natural opiate receptors. They're in the limbic system, they're in the hypothalamus, they're in the locus coeruleus, they're in the paraaqueductal gray area. This is a new region. This is a region that has something to do with pain response. So it's not surprising that opiates would be binding there since we know it does a great job at relieving pain. There are naturally occurring opiates or endogenous neurotransmitters called the endorphins. This word actually means endogenous morphine. Since this was first identified, enkephalins and dynorphins were also identified to be in the class of endogenous opiates. What they do is they stop pain pretty much. Too much use can downregulate receptors and lead to very painful withdrawal. Overdose can happen fairly easily. An overdose isn't just by taking more of the substance. You can take the exact same amount of the substance or even less, but perhaps you have a couple extra beers during that session, and that's enough to push you over because alcohol is a central nervous depressant too. Anyway, we have an enormous opiate epidemic problem in America. Next slide will give some of those numbers. But right now, this finishes up on the overview of opiates.